I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS Form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next, search and select the JetEngine action. Connect to JetEngine. JetEngine connected successfully. Next, choose a task. Map the respective fields. Under Utilities, you'll find some advanced features. Select both checkboxes to display the post type on the admin menu. Per your requirements, you can add conditional logic as well. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the JetEngine dashboard. Then navigate to the post type. Here you can see that a post type was created successfully. It is also displayed on the admin menu bar. Thanks for watching.